Laser. Laser. They had one f***ing job. My name is not Laser. My name is Captain Laser. Shout out Starbucks, by the way. You know, they really are the one-stop shop to get all your beverage needs, really. Except they'll f*** up your name every time. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Anyway, boys, back with another vlog, and we are in the place they call Miami, Florida. Just kidding, it's New York. Hey, it was a tricky little goof, boys. We're in New York. Meme, it's a comedy thing. You wouldn't get it. Anyway, boys, jokes aside, we're actually in New York for a week, which is super, super dope. I came here with my buddy, Tom. Tom, come say what's up to the boys. Tom, oh, shit. Tom, buddy. My bad. How you doing? Sorry. Got in a little fight yesterday, so I locked him in the room. You good? You alright? Dude, it's fine. You gotta chill out a little bit. Anyway, we're in New York. I told you guys this in yesterday's video, but that got demonetized really quick, so it got no views whatsoever, so I'm telling you guys again. Anyway, boys, y'all know how it goes. We're gonna go vlogging around as usual. A regular name brand vlog means I have to look stupid in some way, because I think it's funny.
How are you gonna look stupid today?
Oh, I'm glad you asked that question, Tom. Well, boys, I do have real Gucci here. Quick flex. Thank you, boys, for giving me money on my videos. We're rocking out right now. Appreciate that. But I ain't wearing that. I actually got a fake Gucci shirt here. I don't promote fakes in any way. I don't even know how I have that. I don't know if somebody gave it to me or what, but I got a fake Gucci shirt that I want to just flex around town, you know, maybe pick up some girls, maybe go to Gucci and flex this in Gucci. Either way, I just want to act an ass, but think I'm cool while doing it. So today, boys, we're about to put on the fake Gucci and go vlog and do cool things. Right, Tom?
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, man. Anyway, boys, before we take off for this whole vlog day, whatever, this video is actually brought to you by rosegoldandblack.com. So if you guys want to check them out, there's a link down below. I got the moon rock one right here, or it's like, it might be volcano, I'm not too sure. Anyway, Rose Gold and Black, they got dope jewelry, they got dope accessories, y'all know you're into it. So click the link down below. Even if you're not going to buy anything, it helps me by showing them that I can get clicks, which means we get more money, boys. Appreciate y'all. How do I look?
To be honest?
Yeah, honest.
You look like a guy that used to be really fat, lost a lot of weight, and couldn't afford to buy a new Gucci shirt that actually fit him. Other than that, you look fine, though.
Fuck! Hey! Thumbs up this video if you let your nuts hang! It's okay, don't worry. Do it, boys. Finally off this thing, which is terrifying. I'm from Canada, that thing will kill you in a heartbeat. Don't hit play the game, sweetheart. You little f***er! Come back! Oh, this is sick. I love New York. Quick tip, boys. This is a new thing we want to start for the vlogs. When people walk past, we look like vloggers because they're used to this in New York, and then we just say the most ridiculous things. I'm gonna start trying it out. So anyway, I slapped her real hard, just like you're not gonna do that again to me. You know what I mean? And that... Exactly, something like that. Anyway, so I'm just over here letting my nuts hang in New York. So Tom just informed me there's a lot of shops over here that sell fake stuff, and they're like really sketchy about filming. So I'm gonna see how long it takes for me to get kicked out while I film. No filming? No filming? Oh, I'm so sorry. No. I didn't know that would happen. I'm sorry. And quick swear, we're getting food right now, boys. What's up?
Since we're sitting down, do you think you should just take a moment to tell them about the cops showing up?
I feel like I might be in trouble if I do that now. Anyway, while we're here, I'm not used to this whole new city vlogging stuff, so we're getting food, boys, which is crazy. We all care about that. Thank you so much. Now back to the bullshit. I'm letting my nuts hang, right? And she just grabs me by the weenie. And I'm not even sure what to do about that, because my weenie's being grabbed. How are you doing, boss? What do you think about the shirt? It's Gucci, right? Thank you. Ah! Sorry, watch the Gucci. Do you like Gucci? Do you guys like Gucci? Do you guys like Gucci? Gucci. Oh, okay. Alright, boys, we're out of that bitch. Now, we are going to meet a subscriber right now.
Okay, don't act like he's a subscriber, Brandon. You're subscribed to him and you watch every single one of his videos.
Well, I'm trying to sound sick for the boys. So, a subscriber hit us up, you know what I'm saying? And he was like, dude, I love your videos. We should hang out. And I'm like, absolutely, dude, because I love chilling with my subscribers. So, long story short, I've seen his videos quite a bit, and I'm a big fan of it. And he's got like 4,000 subscribers. Dude, sex. So we thought, you know what, let's hit up this guy and see what's up. So, that's what we're up to right now. chilling with the boys, chilling with the NameBran fam. Really, how you doing, bro? Boom. You just made me look cool on camera because I handshook someone. That's sick. And here he is, boys. Hey. So would you say you're NameBran fam?
I'm NameBran fam.
Yeah.
I'm the oldest. I'm watched you grow, bro.
Are you really?
Watched you.
I guess this is my like second time meeting you, but I guess we met a little while ago.
2016.
Facts.
Met
Sneaker
both of you
con,
guys.
and I guess I took a picture with you, which is why he remembered. Da 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 da. Cool, boys. He's fucking verified with the fam. He's got a link down below. So if you guys want to go check him out, now we're gonna go fuck up some more shit. Oh my god, how you doing? Ah! Watch the Gucci, please. Jesus, man. You into Gucci at all?
Like if you have AirPods,
Yeah. I'm trying to pick up girls wearing Gucci.
If I wasn't a lesbian, I would kiss you.
You are beautiful.
Thanks.
How do you like my Gucci? Do you want to maybe date?
Oh, no, I'm good.
To date or?
I'm good.
Do you like your nuts hang, sir? Do you like your nuts hang?
Yeah.